One of my favorite stories is my bubby used to make gefilte fish. And on Thursday, for some reason, the gefilte fish recipe calls for a live carp. I don't know why, but it has to be live. So on Thursday, very often, if you'd walk into the bathroom, and there was one bathroom in the house with usually 8 to 10 people, in the bathtub was swimming a live carp on Thursday. I never really asked who was the murderer of that carp, but the next night we had the most delicious gefilte fish. Somebody had to kill it and skin it and take out the bones, and the house smelled so wonderful on Friday after, Erev Shabbos. It smelled so good. Chicken soup. She made her own noodles. She used to give me a piece of dough to play with. When she made a challah, she'd give me a piece of dough, and I would make a little challah. And then she chopped her own noodles, and she made her own gefilte fish. Everything from scratch. Anything you wanted to eat, she made. And I do remember her cholent. I don't know if anybody to this day eats cholent, because I don't know, it's not very easy to digest. It has fat and beans and potatoes, and she prepared the cholent on Friday afternoon, but you were not allowed to light your oven. They still had all of the Orthodox restrictions. They lived by it. So on the corner was a bakery, and they took the pot of cholent, they put their name on it, and they put it into the baker's oven. It cooked all day on Saturday. One of the children went to pick it up Saturday night after sundown, and then we ate that cholent, which had cooked 24 hours. And you never tasted anything so good. It was a wonderful, more than pot roast and more than any French dish that I've ever enjoyed. My bubby's cholent was delicious. Heartburn special.